Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone! In this video I will explain how to make delicious eggless gelato, a fantastic frozen treat that's both creamy and satisfying. This method, often called Sicilian-style gelato, is a wonderful alternative to traditional recipes that use egg yolks. It's known for being lighter and easier to digest, making it a perfect dessert for many. The secret to its smooth texture without eggs lies in a simple, readily available ingredient: cornstarch. Let's dive into the process. To begin our eggless gelato adventure, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of whole milk, which forms the rich base, and 1/4 cup of heavy cream for added silkiness. For sweetness, we'll use approximately 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. The star ingredient, replacing eggs, is 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, which acts as our crucial thickener and stabilizer. A pinch of salt and your chosen flavor, like vanilla extract, will complete our simple list. Now let's get to the preparation. In a small bowl, whisk 3 tablespoons of cornstarch with about 1/4 cup of cold milk until it forms a smooth slurry, ensuring no lumps remain. In a separate saucepan, gently heat the remaining whole milk, heavy cream, and granulated sugar over medium heat until it's steaming, but not boiling. Gradually whisk in your cornstarch mixture and continue cooking for approximately 3 minutes, stirring constantly until the base thickens. Remove it from the heat, stir in your flavorings, and then chill the mixture in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. Achieving that signature smooth gelato texture is key. Pour your thoroughly chilled base into an ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically for about 15 to 25 minutes, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. If you're making it without a machine, freeze the mixture in a shallow container and stir it vigorously every 30 minutes for the first 2 to 3 hours to break up ice crystals. Finally, for the best experience, always remove your homemade gelato from the freezer 10 to 15 minutes before serving to allow it to soften to that perfect, scoopable consistency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.